This is a 2025 Nissan Rogue. We're going to show you how to lay the back seats flat. So you can come to these corners and you'll see they have these knobs. You can pull the knob and it will release the seat. You can also do it from the other side and the seat will go down. So here you have the back of the Nissan Rogue with all the rear seats down. And then to put them back up, you'll just push the seat back up until it clicks into place. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs. Hopefully you'll subscribe.